Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into 15 proven ways to earn money online. Whether you're looking to make an extra $500 a month or start a full-fledged online business, there's something here for everyone. These are legitimate methods that people are using right now to generate real income online. So, if you're ready to unlock the potential of the internet and start building your own online income streams, let's get started. Freelancing is all about leveraging your skills and offering them to clients worldwide. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients, making it easier than ever to find work. You set your rates, choose your projects, and work from wherever you want. As you gain experience and build your portfolio, you can increase your rates and attract higher-paying clients. Specializing in a niche helps you stand out from the competition and attract clients specifically looking for your expertise. Building a strong online presence, such as a professional website or LinkedIn profile, is crucial for showcasing your skills. By consistently exceeding client expectations, you'll build a solid reputation and secure repeat business. E-commerce is booming, and there's never been a better time to start your own online store. With platforms like Shopify, Wix, and Squarespace, creating a professional-looking website has never been easier. You can sell physical products, digital products, or even dropship, which eliminates the need to hold inventory. Dropshipping is a popular e-commerce model where you partner with a supplier who handles the storage and shipping of products. When choosing products to sell, consider your passions and interests. Conducting thorough market research is essential. Building a successful e-commerce business takes time and effort, but the rewards can be significant. By focusing on creating a strong brand and leveraging social media marketing, you can drive traffic to your store and generate sales. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based model where you promote other companies' products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. It's a great way to monetize your website, blog, social media following, or email list. You simply focus on driving traffic to your affiliate links and let the product creators handle the rest. To succeed, choose products that align with your niche and audience. Building trust with your audience is key. Promote products you genuinely believe in. There are countless affiliate programs available, including Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share a Sale. Research different programs and choose those that offer competitive commissions and have a good reputation. If you're passionate about a topic and enjoy creating content, then YouTube, blogging, or podcasting might be your ticket to online income. By consistently producing high-quality, engaging content, you can build a loyal following and monetize your platform. YouTube creators earn through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Blogging allows you to attract a targeted audience and monetize through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products. Podcasting has exploded in popularity, allowing you to share your thoughts and monetize through sponsorships or promoting your own products. The key is to provide value and engage with your audience. Are you an expert in a particular field? Creating and selling online courses or offering consulting services could be a lucrative online income stream. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Thinkific make it easy to create and sell your own courses. Consulting is another great way to monetize your expertise, offering your services on an hourly or project basis. When creating courses or offering consulting, clearly define your target audience and the value you provide. By positioning yourself as an expert and delivering exceptional value, you can command premium prices for your services. If you have a knack for photography or videography, selling your work online can be a great way to generate passive income. Stock photo and video websites like Shutterstock, iStock Photo, and Adobe Stock offer a platform for contributors to earn royalties. Create high-quality, in-demand content that meets the needs of businesses and individuals. Keywords are crucial for making your content discoverable on these platforms. While it takes time to build up a portfolio, stock photography and videography can be rewarding. The more high-quality content you upload, the greater your earning potential. Investing is essential for building long-term wealth, and thanks to technology, it's easier than ever to get started. Whether you want to invest in the stock market, cryptocurrency, or real estate, there are numerous online platforms available. Before diving into investing, it's crucial to educate yourself and understand the risks involved. Diversifying your investments across different asset classes can help mitigate risk. The stock market offers potential for long-term growth, and you can invest in individual stocks or through mutual funds and ETFs. Cryptocurrency offers high returns but also carries significant volatility. If you're considering investing in crypto, do your research and understand the risks involved. If you're a creative individual with a knack for design, starting a print-on-demand business could be a fun and rewarding way to make money online. With print-on-demand, you can create custom designs and sell them on various products without handling inventory or shipping. Platforms like Printful, Printify, and Redbubble allow you to upload your designs and connect your online store. Create unique and eye-catching designs that resonate with your target audience. Marketing your print-on-demand business is crucial for driving traffic to your store. Leverage social media, influencer marketing, and paid advertising to reach your target audience. In today's digital age, mobile apps and software are an integral part of our lives. If you have coding skills or an innovative app idea, developing and selling your own apps or software can be lucrative. The Apple App Store and Google Play Store offer vast marketplaces to reach millions of potential users. You can monetize your apps through in-app purchases, subscriptions, or ads. Conduct thorough market research and identify a problem that your app solves. Focus on creating an intuitive user interface and leverage App Store optimization to improve visibility. The demand for online education and tutoring has skyrocketed, creating opportunities for individuals with teaching skills. Platforms like Tutor.me, Schooly, and Chegg Tutors connect students with qualified tutors in various subjects. You can set your own rates and work flexible hours from home. Building a successful virtual tutoring business relies on providing high-quality instruction and marketing your services effectively. Encourage satisfied students to spread the word about your services. In today's social media-driven world, influencer marketing has become a powerful force. If you have a large and engaged following on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, you can leverage your influence to earn money by partnering with brands. Brands are constantly on the lookout for influencers who can reach their target audience authentically. Building a successful influencer marketing business requires creating high-quality content and engaging with your audience. Authenticity is key. Choose brands that align with your values and niche. Promote products or services that you genuinely believe in and that would resonate with your audience. Online arbitrage is a business model where you buy products at a lower price from one online retailer and resell them for a profit on another platform. It's all about finding profitable price discrepancies and capitalizing on them. Focus on products with high demand, low competition, and a healthy profit margin. Conduct thorough product research to identify profitable arbitrage opportunities. Be aware of the risks involved, such as price fluctuations and competition. The rise of remote work has been remarkable, and it's a trend that's here to stay. More companies are embracing remote work arrangements, offering a wide range of job opportunities. Websites like Indeed, LinkedIn, and Remote.co are great resources for finding remote job openings. Highlight your relevant skills and experience when applying for remote jobs. Remote work offers flexibility and work-life balance, but requires self-discipline and excellent communication skills. Tailor your resume and cover letter to the specific job requirements. Who wouldn't want to earn money while they sleep? Passive income offers the potential to generate income with minimal ongoing effort. One popular form of passive income is rental income from real estate. Another way to generate passive income is through investments that pay dividends, such as dividend-paying stocks or REITs. Creating and selling digital products, such as ebooks or online courses, can also generate passive income. Once the initial product creation is complete, you can sell it repeatedly. The key is to find something that aligns with your skills and interests. In the digital age, packaging your knowledge into digital products can be a lucrative way to generate income online. Ebooks are a popular format for sharing your expertise and insights. Online courses offer a more interactive way to teach and monetize your knowledge. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Thinkific make it easy to create and sell online courses. Other digital products you can create and sell include templates, printables, and software. The possibilities are endless, and you can sell your product repeatedly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Let us know in the comments which method you're most excited to try. The internet offers endless opportunities to generate income, and the methods we've discussed are just the tip of the iceberg. Start exploring the possibilities today and take the first step towards financial freedom.